Blessings, blessings, blessings. Blessings from Eat Good TV. Scissoring, savoring. Little is much with all in it. Today we are cooking authentic Jamaican curry chicken. Let's begin. Now I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of all-purpose seasoning to the chicken. 1 tablespoon of salt. 1 tablespoon of garlic powder. 1 tablespoon of black pepper and 1 tablespoon of onion powder. And 2 medium onion. And 3 cloves of garlic. And 2 scallion or spring onion. Some people call it spring onion. And some dry herb, Mrs. Dash. Dry herb, Mrs. Dash original dry herbs. And I'm gonna add the better pot curry. This is a very good curry, but you can use any type of curry. I'm just gonna add a spoon in here. So that's about 2 tablespoons. And I'm gonna just rub this together. I'm just gonna season it together. And how everybody is doing, hope everyone is okay. Hope everyone is doing okay. You can put this to soak for an hour, to marinate for an hour. Or you can just cook it as you season it. So I'm gonna cook this as I season it. So this is how it's, I just season it and this is how it looks. And you can add more curry if you want to, or less curry, because I'm gonna add some to the pot. I'm adding around 2 tablespoons of oil. You can get 3 tablespoons of oil in the pot. Then I'm adding some curry to the pot. Now that our curry, I'm going to add the chicken to the pot. And I'm gonna cover the pot. I'm gonna cover the pot for a while. I'm gonna cover the pot, and it don't need any water at this time. But you can use boiling water in the pot, but I'm just gonna cover it and let it stay there and cook. If you need water, you can add boiling water. It takes about an hour and 15 minutes to cook. So you see that all the curry now is on the meat that was in the bottom of the pot with the oil. And I use organic coconut oil, but you can use any oil of your choice. Same with the curry. Bitter pot, you can use any of your choice. So I'm gonna cover it. I'm gonna cover it and let it stay for a while until it cook down a little. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, hit that notification bell for all my upcoming video. Time to check the pot to see what's going on in the pot now. Oh, looking good and smelling good. I didn't add any water to it as yet. But now I'm gonna add some boiling water to it. I'm gonna just add some boiling water. So I'm just gonna use some boiling water to just rinse out the pan here. To rinse out all the little goodies in the pan. And just add it to it. I just add a small amount of water each time I go until it's cooked. It takes about an hour and 15 minutes to cook, so I'm gonna add a little bit water as I go. I add a little water, just small amount each time. Because when you slow cook it, slow with a small amount of water, it tastes better. Smell up the place right now. Smell nice, really good. This is just the way my grandmother made it. She was born in 1902, and this is the way she did it. Cook the curry chicken. This is the way she cook her curry chicken. She take her time slowly cooking it for like about an hour and 15 minutes, hour and 20 minutes. And it's, you know, I do this recipe over and over and over. This was my grandmother's recipe. I'm just checking the pot to see what's going on here. Everything looks great. It's cooking. I'm just gonna pour a tip of water in it. Just a tip. Just take your time and pour a little tip of water as you go, so that's enough. And it's on medium, so it's just gonna finish cook. It's on medium. I'm cooking it on medium. And the gravy is thick. Gravy is very thick. It's good gravy. So I'm just going to cover it for about 10 more minutes and it will finish cooking. I'm going to check the pot now. It should be cooked. Oh yeah, looking great, it's cooked. It is cooked. It is cooked. I'm just going to turn the stove off and share it out. Oh, smelling up the place, smelling really, really good. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for all my upcoming videos. I'm gonna eat some of this good food. This is very good people, very good. It's smelling up the place, it's very good. Delicious. That's delicious. Oh, hot though. It's good, but it's hot. Delicious, but it's a little hot, but it's very good. Hot. And it's very good with rice. You can have it with one provision too, but rice is best. You can have it with food, but rice is white rice. White rice and porridge can go great. I would like to thank all the people that subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to leave the comments so I can know that you visit the channel. Bye from Eat Good TV. Wish you all the best. Bye. Love you.